Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Do you love Clash of Clans, but wish you had a bigger screen or more precise controls? Good news, playing on Windows 11 is now easier than ever. Forget tiny phone screens, imagine managing your base and launching powerful attacks with the comfort of your keyboard and mouse. We'll show you the very best methods to make this happen, giving you that competitive edge and a far more comfortable gaming experience. One long-standing way to play mobile games on your PC is through Android emulators. Programs like BlueStacks or Nox Player essentially create a virtual Android phone on your Windows 11 machine. You simply download them, log in with your Google account, and then you can install Clash of Clans directly from the Google Play Store, just like you would on a real phone. It's a tried-and-true method for many mobile games. However, for the most seamless experience, especially heading into 2025, Google Play Games for PC is definitely the way to go. This official platform, developed by Google, offers direct access to a growing library of Android games optimized for Windows. You just download the application, sign in, and Clash of Clans is right there, ready to be installed and played with full keyboard and mouse support. It's built for stability and ease. So, which method is best for you? Emulators like BlueStacks offer incredible flexibility, letting you run almost any Android app, plus they have many customization settings. However, Google Play Games for PC, as the official solution, generally delivers better performance, simpler setup, and more reliable updates for games like Clash of Clans. For a dedicated Clash player, the official Google Play route typically offers a smoother, more integrated experience. It's often the simpler choice. Regardless of which method you choose, remember a few key tips. Always make sure your Windows 11 graphics drivers are current. This helps with performance. Log in using your Supercell ID or your existing Google account to instantly access your current village. Now you can enjoy your favorite strategy game with far greater comfort and precision. It's a whole new way to experience Clash of Clans right from your desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.